It's a weekend. That's the only time when I go for a walk in the evenings, and we are going for a walk now after Chennai rains. So where do I go for walking? Obviously to the lake which is around my place. That is the coolest place to take a walk in the evenings. So I'm going right there. Now you might ask, why are you showing the same place once again? You might have seen this lake already in my channel. If you haven't seen that video, I'll tag it somewhere in this video or put it in the description. You can go and watch. The reason why I'm showing this lake again is the difference in the water level after the recent rains in Chennai. One best thing that you'll be seeing in this video is that since the water level of this lake is high now, it is overflowing at the end of this lake. I'm going to show you that it's like a mini waterfall, and I saw in some other video that people are swimming there as well. So I'm so excited to see that and show you guys as well. This is the current water level, and I'm going to show you how it was before here when I posted the video a few months ago. There was literally some walking space here to get down and go a further bit, but now we don't see anything. It's all completely filled with water. We can see water everywhere, both the sides of the river. This is some dirty water, but this is really good water. I just love the sun today. It's shining bright, and it would be lovely to see this sunset. As the sun is going down, we are going to quickly go there, and I'm going to show you the mini cascade or mini waterfall. Like, let me know if it's really a waterfall or not. So if you want to know how deep this water is, just look at this cow. You will know the depth of this water. It's almost 75% inside the water, so don't underestimate this depth of water. It's really deep. So the sun is almost down. I'm still walking, trying to pace up and show you the waterfall before it gets dark. It's so called winter in Chennai. That's why we don't see any leaves in the trees, and it's a beautiful bird. I think this is a great shot, and I need to snap this up. This is the place from where people go into the water to swim, or there are few people who catch fish here and they use this to pull their nets. Let's see how deep it is. So this is the suspense that I told you. Look at the level of water now and from before. The water is overflowing from here, and let me show you how it overflows. Look how this guy is sitting on the water. Even I wanted to do it. Earlier, this way was a pathway to go out on the other side of this lake, and people used to take this route on their bikes to go on the other side. You can reach this side of the lake from Mambakam Road too, but now you could see that it is totally covered with water. It is not that deep here. It will be just below your knees, or at least to your knee level, since I have already seen this place when it was open, and you could also see that in my old video. And it goes like a river in some other direction. So much of water is getting wasted. You could come here, take photos like you are in a waterfall. I was just thinking how to get in there and play with the water. But looking at the force of water, I'm afraid to get down and wet my feet. It might be slippery. Flowing water is always dangerous and risky. But these folks easily got down there and started to have fun. Maybe it is safe. I just stood like a spectator saying, maybe next time. So let me know in the comments if you would get down there and swim or bathe in this water. So that was the special thing that I wanted to show you guys. Hope you liked it. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Please share this video with your friends so that you can plan and visit this place with them and have some fun just like them. Also, please do watch the other videos of my channel, and if you like the videos that I make, then please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. So see you until my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care, ciao.